Hello my alien students, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing beautiful today. So today what's the story? I thought let me just say hi, hello. I was thinking of another project. No, this project will be going on. The electrical project is going on. So I just thought, just for like it's called advertisement break, isn't it? Yeah. So what I was thinking was I will it's just request actually. One minute. Yeah, I was thinking of doing another project for the firefighting system. Okay, if you cannot see it, just a second, you will see it now. We'll add see the different sizing in the firefighting system, the piping. Yeah, maybe if I show you in 3D, you will appreciate the design. Okay, so see small pipe and large water branching. Okay, I'm planning to do one maybe based on request and based on demand for this project for this course. I'm planning to do one project, teach you how to do it step by step. Okay, sorry, it's a huge network. Not very huge, but I don't know why it is. Yeah, this is the story. Can you see the blue pipe? It's actually red. Yeah, how you see the cell changing in sizing and whatever, how it is done, everything. So that is my story for today. Yeah, I'll teach you how to do it. Just doing an advertisement break actually. We'll be resuming in the electrical one, but I thought let me just when you guys are interested, just let me know. We will see how to do this project. Okay, in Revit as well, of course, not in what is this? AutoCAD. I showed how to do it in AutoCAD, I guess, and I also showed in one of the previous videos a much bigger project than this for a hospital or something. Complete. Okay, see the flange, whatever. Okay, so this is kind of a trailer for a movie. Hopefully, in the next series of videos, we will teach you how to do it, how to build this in Revit. Okay, you see the sizing, how to do the pipe sizing and whatever. So this is the story. Hopefully after the course or something, we will do this. After the electrical course, we will do this firefighting course, complete stuff. So I think that's it for today. If you want, what I'll do is, just a minute. Yeah, I just remove the architect so you can see the full model. Yeah, much clearer. Anyway, that's the story for today. If you like to see it, 1 minute, let me see. Right click, select similar, select all instances.